Hello everyone, welcome to the S&P 500 price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, let's see what's happened today for the SPX. Of course, besides that, we are being very in red. Nothing has changed since a week. So, of course, currently we are in this wave 5, guys. Wave 5 for the blue scenario. We have potentially finished 1, 2, and we are in the wave 3 of a wave 5. Just as a reminder here, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this wave 5 is still unfolding. Now on the weekly, let's see where, of course, we are looking here. After this correction for a wave 4, in the blue scenario, we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, of course, continuation toward the upside. Meaning right now we are in the middle of the wave 3, right? After having potentially inside this wave 3 a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Meaning to get a more closer, where are we? Here we go. We are in a wave 3 over 5. Meaning it's a very impulsive wave. However, it was supposed to be continuing toward the upside, as we know, of course, because of everything happening and is going on. We saw, of course, this retracement and transforming this impulse to an expanding flat correction, transforming it into a 1 and then wave 2 and then continuation again for higher, right? So this is how the things has changed. Let's move also inside this flat to see what happened and what we might expect. So on the 4-hour chart, inside this flat, we have A, B, and a C. So our targets currently is a wave C, expanding flat 1.38, 1.618. And we're getting closer and closer every day. As you can see, of course, we are at 5,500 right now. Yeah, so basically we're getting closer. And of course, we have our small count here for this wave toward the downside. So where are we from this wave toward the downside? What to expect in the next few hours and for tomorrow? So basically we have 1, 2, right? And another 1, 2, 1, 2, and another 1, 2. And that because, of course, because of the impulsive overlapping. Yeah, meaning we have impulses for every single 1, 2 here, but the problem is that they are overlapping, meaning we cannot call them all of them as an impulse because of the overlap, right? And here where we get, of course, the clue that those are 1, 2s and not a big impulse, for example, for just wave 1, 2, and then continuation. So we have several 1, 2s. For example, now yesterday, yeah, we got our wave 3. Here we go. We don't have any kind of overlap, so meaning this is our wave 3, right? That because, of course, the gap here between, and we got, of course, our wave 4 as expected. Continuation toward the downside. Yesterday we expected this, of course, and here we go. Our counting still on the move. Right now, okay, this is very interesting because we're very close for a wave 5, potentially not reaching directly those FIB level. And then we are looking here at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yeah, okay, so if we move a little bit even in the micros, let's see, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Okay, still need a lot to finish, of course, even. So potentially we have several 1, 2s here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5 to finish this wave 5. And then, of course, 3 waves up again, and then moving toward the downside for this wave 4 and a 5 in the white. Yeah, so basically we potentially the 0.618 can still be open, yeah, because remember we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 for the wave 3, and then 4, 5 for this 1, 2 here. Yeah, so potentially, yeah, I would say even the fibs are still open, and that's why I move micro, guys. And you saw, of course, I moved from the highest to the lowest to see where are we, what are we looking for exactly, and to be much clearer with the price prediction here for you guys. Yeah, so basically we still have a lot of 4-5s, guys, and it looks like the scenarios are not ending with the drops. So potentially our blue box next one will be around the 2.618, obviously, 5,324. And that means, of course, it still might end up as a truncation. Yeah, so this, by the way, this one is taken from potential ABC. Yeah, for potential ABC as an expanding flat, your wave C is very extended. So this only a potential of reversal in case, because anyway it is projected inside our blue box, which are of course the 1.38, 1.618, taken from the bigger expanding flat. And the 1.618, as you can see, it might even anyway end up as truncation, meaning of course running flat and moving for higher. Are those fib levels gonna be on the in the play? We're gonna see. Yeah, potentially we might get a rebound and potentially continuation to the next blue box to take the low, and without truncation, that would be the recession answer, guys. The recession answer, of course, is breaking this level continuation to the downside in a recession, of course, signal. Yep, so that was it for the S&P. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.